It's your boy Tangram YT back with another video. So I'm sick as a I'm sick. So if I sound any different from like when I normally do videos, that's why. I broke my headset. The mic and sound quality on it or whatever has gone down very much, so I can barely hear sound out of it. Anyway, Zombs put out a new thing for weapons race, or a new LTM or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna do it. I am I can't move. I had to do like 8 different recordings before this because I couldn't fucking move. By the way, I started swearing now. All right, we're gonna do that. Do that. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'll bear back. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry. So, I reset my thing. Can I please be able to move? And I died. That's nice. Oh, I can move. Ha! Oh, the round ended. Alright, I'm gonna be winning this round. Because I'm just a legend like that. Okay, no one's by me. This is not good. Where are they? I'm already down 3. Jesus! You're fucking dying. Eat my balls. Eat my balls! Get off my D! Ah! You took my fucking kill! You want to... I am sorry. Oh, my voice hurt, or my throat hurt so bad. No, I'm just scraping. You knob! Get down! Eat my balls. This isn't that serious, but I like to think it is. Come on! I need one more fat! I need 2 more kills. Thanks for taking my kill, bitch. Yeah, I know you did. How few. Let's go! Where's another dude? Come on. You're gonna eat my ball! Ninja Badger RSA And I spawned next to a dude with a whole SMG. How am I supposed to win this? I need a fucking SMG! Oh my god, dude. You're mine. Eat my balls. Let's go. P90. This gun sucks. You're my next victim. Slob. On Manob. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Get that out of there. You're dead. Fuck! Oh my god. Fuck! Okay, I need to do this. I've gotten like 3rd one time on this game mode. You're gonna die. You're not good. That was 2 kills. You got it. Fuck! Dallas, Dakota. I hate people named like Tifu. Whenever you kill someone like that, you just have to say LMAO when you kill them. That's just a rule. Can't get off this fucking gun! What's worse is no one's by me. Look at this. killed him! Get down! Oh my god, lag. Are you guys... And you took my kill, you knob! And I killed you too. You're not good. Get over here. No, you're coming near me. He's just accepted his fate. I was eliminated! Fuck! Dude, I can't see shit! I'm probably gonna have to, like... I killed him! What do you mean? This just to be just titled tangramrages.com. The pump is the only good shotgun in the game. That's a fact. How? Eat my testicles. I'll flip. No! Oh, come on! That's like the That is mean. No hate to gays. Gays are good. I didn't say gays, but it sounded like I did. Just to clarify. I'm in second place. Can that not happen? Can I be in first, please? And can I not die to this trash kid, bro? I have lag! Ah! Thank you! God dang. First place, my dick. Oh my god. This video is gonna get age restricted because I'm cursing so much. Yes, it's that serious. Sean, you knob. Look at you! Look at you! I'm winning this game. Fuck! I'm winning this game. No. Ah! Oh, I got one kill. So I got him back. That's good. Very good, very good. Eat my testicles! Ah! First place! You're not even in the leaderboards! Let's go with this beat! Ah! No! Fuck, dude. I'm not losing. I'm not losing. I'm not losing! Let's go! How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? I have the trashiest gun in the game. How do you expect me to get kills with this? I need a fresh restart. I need to get killed by someone. Thank you, sir. I'm not mad this time. Okay. What's good, ma'am? Nice kill. Nice kill. I have an RPG! I can't! I hate RPGs! Miniguns and RPGs! I don't like him. How did I not kill him? I'm not losing! I am not losing! I need to rewatch this video. I'm gonna be laughing so hard. And you spawned me near no one. That's just marvelous. Please. Please be trash! Please be trash! Let's go! He's still in the deagle? Jeez. Come on! Come on! 2 more kills! Come on! Let's fuck! No! Ah! Oh! My neighbors are gonna hate me tomorrow. Let's go! What the frick is this gun? I've never seen this in the game. I mean, it's pretty bad, but... Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Jeez! My balls hurt so bad! Let's fucking go! Alright. My throat hurts so bad. I need to stop the video here before I give myself friggin' strep throat. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!